What we doing today, Tyson?
A mid taper and curl up the top.
I ain't gonna say too much. We just diving right in because the prepped head is the best head. Whether you washing it, brushing it, combing it, just know, just the best head. So first, I'm just gonna start by brushing his hair. He wanted mid taper, so I'm taking my FX1s and I'm just creating a rainbow-like guideline. And we're gonna bald everything else underneath of it. See my guideline? Because you don't want to come too far down with the C cups. I'm taking my foil shaver, just cleaning up, making sure I bald that out because I want to see a transition. I want to see a blend. And I'm taking my Stylecraft Instincts and I'm going to level all the way open, just about like a half of a finger's width. And I'm tracing over that guideline. The guideline is there to help you ensure that you're creating a way for a transition, a way for a blend. Okay, I'm going to level all the way close, just knocking out the line. As you can see, just so far as you can see that it's coming together. Okay, I'm going halfway close, half of the guideline that we did. That's coming together clean. Here I'm going with my 0.5, which is my 1/16. I'm going to level all the way open. And as you can see, I'm turning my clippers. I'm turning my clippers as I come from the front to the back of the cup. And as I get high, y'all flicks out and flick out and flick out. Then I'm going to level all the way closed. Just ensuring that I'm knocking out the guideline that I created right over top of the no guard. Now I'm going to level halfway. As you can see, it's coming together clean. Dope. It's coming together clean. Like, it's just clean. As I get higher, I flick out because I still want to transition. That's clean. Here I'm going in my number 1. I'm gonna level all the way over. As I get higher, I start to flick out. I start to flick out. But because he don't have so much hair, I just don't want to take too much off because I still want to keep the box dark as possible, as dark as possible. Then I'm gonna level all the way close, just hitting at that line. Then I'm gonna level all the way close. That's coming together clean. That's clean. I'm going to level halfway close. Half of that. That transition came together real clean. I'm taking my 1.5, which is my 1.5. And I'm just trying to debulk some of the hair, as you can see. Because if not, it's going to look crazy. And why not? I just let it detail as much as possible. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm detailing. Yup, I'm detailing. That came together clean. Still, sometimes you gotta touch the hair up. So that's what I like to do after I blend or even line up. You always, I don't care what kind of barber you are, what barber you are, you always will have to still touch your client's hair up. As you can see, I'm touching up now. My next video I drop, it will be pertaining to the best, in my opinion, the best guards. I always tell y'all about the best blades that I like to use, which is the Blue FX and Fade blades. They are the most comfortable for me. So you go with what's comfortable for you, whether you heavy-handed or light-handed or not. Here I'm going with his sideburns. He wanted to keep them, so I'm just reversing my steps as I did with the taper. It's coming together pretty dope. It's clean. That blend is clean. Here I'm creating my guideline right here in the back area. See, I could have flipped them over. These are not my hitters, so I tried, just to give y'all the comfortability of not using the, just hitters. Like the back neck area is sensitive. It's almost equivalent to the front of the face and the bottom of the neck. You gotta be real careful when your blade bumped all the way up. I'm level all the way open. Now I'm closing it just to knock out the guideline. I want to knock out the line. I want to see some transition, some blur. I want it to be blurred. In other words. Now I'm going in with my 0.5, which is my, of course, 1/16. That's coming together pretty clean. Everything come together clean. It's dope. As you can see, it's a transition. I like to curve my neck, my back neck area when I'm creating my guideline because it makes it flare out more, pop out more. And I'm level all the way closed, just knocking out the line, the guideline that put with no guard. And be mindful though, I've been cutting his hair for a long minute, so I know that he don't want to keep the back neck area as low, so that's why I'm going up just a little bit, tiny bit more than a usual client might, want. Yeah, I'm level all the way open. I'm using my number 1. That's coming together real clean. That's clean. That's clean. As you see, I'm flicking out because I want to create some transition. That's coming together clean. The best thing to do is just to detail as much as you can. I'm level halfway closed. Detail as much as you can. Like, never speed to a haircut. Yeah, I'm detailing. I'm just detailing. Just trying to fix the transition within his blend. Never rush through a haircut. Here, this is my side. Y'all already know how I get. I want to just rap to y'all and things that they try to make more money, or just me just releasing some of the thoughts in my head. So far YouTube been wonderful with this journey. So I do want to send out a thanks. All the knowledge that I got as far as cutting hair, I learned on my own head because I started cutting on my own head maybe a few years back, and within the 2 years I actually got serious with it. It's progressing. It's going on 3 now though, but it's a heck of a journey, and I appreciate everybody that's here with me on YouTube to see the growth. Yes, I might have haircuts that's better than the previous haircut that I did, but that's because I'm growing. I want y'all to see the growth. The growth is everything. I do hot towels, facials. I would say the hot lather your client because it gives a better sharpness, it gives a better line, it gives a better everything when it comes down to lining your clients up. And you can charge extra. It's clients love everything is deeper than a haircut. So clients love when you make them feel comfortable. It's a prep day. It's a pep day. You prepping yourself and pepping yourself, and you just gotta give your client more in value than they give you in dollar. Again, let me say it again. Give your client more in value than they do in dollar, because the more you do in value, the more they want to give you in dollar. So you can charge a guy $20 for a haircut, but you done gave him a $100 service. So he's gonna appreciate that. And what he's gonna start doing is bonding with you on another level that you won't even expect. So hear me hot lathering my client. This is a hot rag, hot towel. I wanted to show y'all guys this. I normally don't show this in my vids and when I do my clients facial and everything, but I wanted to show you guys this because I want y'all to lock in. Here after a couple minutes of me having it on, I'm wiping it off, just ensuring that he get the most crispiest line possible. Now I'm going to my hold and spray. Your hold and spray, is your choice. It's preferably your choice and how comfortable you are, and the stickiness to the, just is everything within your choice. Like I said, these are not my hitters, but they are hitters. As you can see, they are hitters. I only gotta tap back the line once, and I'm real light-handed. Okay, I'm just using the corner of the blade. Then I'm coming back, just cleaning them up. Same side on this side, and this blade cracks. This is the Blue FX blade. It's a standard blade. The only difference between this and the gold blade is blue. But standard blades are my best. I didn't get my hands on the wedge blade yet. Of course, I use the deep tooth blade, and I do not like the deep tooth blades. Here, as you can see, I'm giving him the most crispiest lineup, a natural lineup as well. So as you can see, it's coming together. It's not enhanced. It's just off me prepping my client's hair. What I mean by prep is alcohol. I use hot lather, You know, just ensuring that I get the most crispiest line. As you can see, he has an ash line. He has an ash line. And this is you gotta prep the head skin. You gotta dry the skin out and reactivate it so you can get the sharp image. As you can see, he has a sharp image. And this was hold and spray. You just gotta prep properly. As you can see, I'm hitting at the C cups. And I'm going there with my Beam 10 compressor with my enhancements. They are waterproof. I will show you guys on one of my upcoming videos that these enhancements are waterproof. I want to show you guys that they really are waterproof, and I'm big on detailing, so you can say I sprayed down the box or whatever, but at the end of the day, it's pretty dope. My clients like it, you know. And you know, I got over 200 returning clients. Like, I'm cutting over 200, you know, 200 consistent people. So yeah, I'm just hitting at the C cup. And you want to create some sharpness. Like, the enhancements are how you spread and what city that you in. Like, I'm in Baltimore. My younger guys love to see the enhancements. They love the chalk effect and everything. Here, these are real hair fibers, so they stick on the hair and pop the enhancements out. So you won't even really pretty much see the enhancements because the hair fibers is supposed to really go over top of it. As you can see, that's dope. That's what the enhancements mixed with the hair fibers over top. Going in my Barber Magic pencil, y'all know how I do. You know, I bring his C cup down just a tiny bit more. You know, because I felt like it instead of keeping it just a small little crease, I just thought that this would be the best look for him. So my clients are always happy when they hop out of the chair, because at the end of the day, I still gave him what he wanted. As you can see, that came together dope. That's clean. You can't sit here and tell me this temp and the fade on the side, the blend, everything is crazy. You know, you want thin lines with the pencil because you don't want to overdo it. So you want real thin lines with the pencil. As you can see, I got thin lines with the pencil. This the front of his head. Like, that's clean. It's clean. Sharp image. I wish I could have had the camera facing just straight up a little bit more, because you can only, it's kind of slanted to the right. But for the most part, cut clean. All right, Tyson, how you feel about it? You good? Sure? Yeah. And this is why I got guys coming in the shop. They come looking like this. You know, they come looking like this, but it's our job as barber to get them to look like this. Let's lock in, follow, like, you know, subscribe, drop a few comments, tell me your input on this cut. You know, just tell me how you feel. Like, I take constructive criticism, and, you know, without further ado, let's just lock in.